Good day guys, welcome to the channel. So if you need a debit card number for online shopping, but you can't find it, this video is for you. Warning, scammers may trick you into sharing card details, never give them out. Now, open the Chase mobile app if you're using the mobile app on your iPhone or Android, and of course sign in with your account. Tap your checking account, then scroll to Accounts and Services and select Stored Cards. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is going to be your interface and you can just go ahead and view the cards info. And as you can see guys, this is the official video from Twitter, well now X, from the official page of Chase about how to basically see the details. As you can see, they're showing us the Chase card. I'm going to pause it. And as you can see, we have a button. Let me make sure that goes away. As you can see details, and in here you can see the details about your card, of course its number, etc., everything else. Now guys, you'll see last 4 digits of your debit card. Chase doesn't show the full number for security reasons. This takes 30 seconds and works for most transactions. So if you need the full 16-digit number, check out the front of your physical debit card. It's embossed there. That's pretty much it. If none of these work, you can contact the Chase support. You can also try and message them at the Chase UK on Twitter. And guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully these tips helped you. Like and subscribe for more hacks. See you next time.